Welcome back. Now in this video we're going to go to the Teach area. We're going to click Create a Class. And we're now going to start the process of uploading our content. So we're going to now click this Upload Videos, and we're going to upload the videos into Skillshare. Now each of the videos will probably take approximately 30 minutes in order to get fully uploaded, provided that your videos fit the parameters of short videos between 2 and 5 minutes. And now that we've uploaded, you'll notice that this video is now in process and it will take approximately 30 minutes. We can continue to refresh the page in order to see and check on the status. So what we've done now is we've uploaded all of the videos to our video lessons. So while this process is happening, we want to click Class Info. We want to go ahead and write in our class title. Once we've given our class a title and a description, we then want to move to the class project. And we want to design a project based on the content that we have already placed in the course, and we want to give our students something tangible to do and something they can demonstrate and post to the course. Of course, if you have a file that you want to attach, you can do that, or if you want to upload a photo. What you're going to do next is you're going to choose a category for the course. You're going to choose a subcategory. And then you're going to decide whether or not this is going to be a free or paid course. If it's going to be free, you can designate that here. If it's going to be a course that's part of the paid membership, you can leave this as the default. You're then going to designate the level that the student should be on in order to take the course. And then you're going to write in skills. And now that we see our videos are all uploaded and ready to be viewed, we can now make sure that our titles reflect what we want them to be. And once we do that, we can then hit the Publish button. For now though, there are a few more things that we're going to do to our course, and we're going to hit the Save Draft button to make sure that all of our changes are saved. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.